Y'all, I'm so excited. I'm going to show y'all how to saute Swiss chard straight from my homegrown vegetable garden. First, we're just going to rinse off our Swiss chard. Next, you're going to cut the stalks off like you would celery, chop them up into little bits. Cut you up some fresh garlic. Get it diced how you want it. Add some olive oil to your pan, medium-high heat. Add the garlic to your pan. Next, add your Swiss chard stems straight to the pan. Next, add your leaves to the pan. These are some big leaves. You can chop them up if you want to, but it takes a little while to get them sauteed down, and to get that nice dark green color, you want them to wilt a little bit. And once they're wilted, they're ready to eat. All right, y'all, our taste test. Look how pretty it is. Super purple. That's really good. Let me use like a stir fry. You can add those stems to your stir fry. And the leaves, once they wilt up, you know they're ready to eat. You could add a little bit of salt to it too. That's good stuff.